Want to go camping but don't know what to bring? Well, you've come to the right place. Here are 5 essential camping gadgets that can help you get started. First, you'll need a tent. I suggest starting with an entry-level tent, like the Colemannndome camping tent. This tent has snag-free poles for easy setup, and a rainfly that block the elements like wind and rain. It's perfect for festivals, camping, and backyard sleepovers to name a few. Next up would be a sleeping bag. You'll want one that can handle different seasons and temperature changes, so I would suggest not selling yourself short for this one. A great option is the Kelty Cosmic 20-degree 550-down sleeping bag. It can handle any temperature and it's lightweight and durable. Now that you have shelter and a cozy warm sleeping bag, you'll need a good cook system. An affordable option and one I use is the Odoland 6-piece camping cookware mess kit. It's an all-in-one system with a lightweight pot, stove, spork, and carry mesh bag. This system has never let me down and I highly recommend it. Next up is light. Introducing the Ezorkas lantern. It's a USB and battery rechargeable lantern with a magnetic base. It comes in a pack of 2 or 4 and is ideal for camping, hurricanes, hiking, and emergency outages. It's the perfect light for any occasion. Last on the list would be a good sleeping pad. I recommend the Kimevan pad. It's an affordable, thick, comfortable pad, also features a built-in foot pump and pillow for extreme comfort. You'll love it. So there you have it. 5 essential items for beginning camping. Lastly, if I had to add anything else to this list to get you started camping, it would be a good first aid kit. You never know when accidents are going to happen, so it's best be prepared. If you liked any of these products listed in the video, you can find links to all of them in the description. Be safe out there and happy camping.